Hi, I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland, and welcome to my November Stitch Fix unboxing video. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. So for this month, I am heading to Austin, Texas for the very first time. So I told my stylist that I was going to Austin and I wanted clothes that would be fun, weather appropriate, and would also kind of pop for pictures. I've never been to Texas before, and I've never been to Austin, Texas, obviously. So I've been doing all this research online, and it looks like there's a gazillion cool like street murals and like fun Instagram walls, stuff like that. So I wanted some fun clothes so that I can walk around and take some silly pictures in front of that, because why not? I'm also very excited for this trip because it is a blogging trip. I'm going there for a blogging conference. Kid-free, so I can finally wear fun things without worrying about little kids wiping sticky hands on my clothes or dripping ice cream on me or things like that. I don't have to bring extra clothes with me everywhere I go, which I'm digging. But I'm just excited to just kind of feel like a regular person instead of kind of having my mom uniform on. So I'm very excited for the Stitch Fix box. So let's open it up and let's see. Okay, the first thing is white. Let me see what it is. Oh, cute. Okay, so this is a white top. And it's kind of, if you can see it, has kind of lacy details. And then the back is super cute. So the back is has this cute little zipper on it. So I can already tell that it's a little bit see-through, so I would definitely need to wear a white tank top or camisole underneath of it. But it's super cute. Like, I really kind of like the detail. I think this will be really cute for photos, especially in front of walls that are super colorful. This will be a nice contrast. And I've been working with some photographers lately, and they keep telling me to wear neutral clothes. So kind of like, you know, like white is good, gray is good, you know, just kind of like those solid kind of neutral colors. I'm somebody that always wears color usually, and so it's been kind of tricky for me. So I would definitely love to add something like this to my wardrobe. I think this is super cute. Okay, let's see what else do we have. Okay, so this one is decidedly less cute. It's kind of like a paisley print, but not. I know that I said no paisley. This would probably look cute on somebody else, and it's kind of funny because like as I'm looking at it in the video, I don't hate the print, but up close, I totally hate the print. So it's something that I think looks a lot cuter from farther away, but up close for me, I don't know. It just isn't doing it for me, but it's a personal preference, right? Okay. Let me figure this one out. It's blue and polka dot, and it's a dress, it looks like. It looks like it's like a wrap dress. And again, this is something that like, it looks super cute from when I'm looking at it in the camera. I'm gonna have to try it on to see kind of like how it fits. Because if it fits correctly, this will probably be like a really wow piece. But if it doesn't fit correctly, it's gonna be a total flop. So we'll have to try this on and check it out. But I really love the blue color, and of course, you know, me being a Disney person, my thoughts immediately are like, oh, could I use this at Disneyland because of the polka dots? It's kind of cute, like retro chic. So I'm excited to try that one on. Okay, and I have been mentioning that I want sweaters because I am freezing. You probably can't see outside, but it is raining, and it's been raining for what feels like weeks. But anyway, so here is a sweater. Let me see how this one works. This is, it's kind of like one of those kind of like shawl cardigan sweaters where there's no like fastening. It's just kind of like an open. And I really like this color. It's really pretty, perfect for fall. It looks really nice. So I'm excited to try this one on too. Okay, the final one is a pair of pants. Okay, from Liverpool. I've worn Liverpool jeans before, and they fit me really well. These are I'm pretty sure black pants. Sometimes I can't tell, but these look pretty black. Yeah, again, I'm gonna have to try this on to see kind of like how it fits and how it looks too. Okay, let's go ahead and try things on. Okay, so I'm wearing the kind of like that paisley top a little bit and the black pants. And I have to say right off the bat, the black pants fit so well. So if you can kind of see, they fit around my waist, which I like. They are so comfortable. They are like leggings and it feels like I'm wearing yoga pants, but I like that they're a little bit more put together. They're a little bit more structured than that. And I'm also wearing the top, so if you can kind of see. It's still not my favorite. It would be great on somebody else, but it's just not for me. So, so I've got the top on right now and I've got the pants on. The pants are a total win. I really like them. Okay, let's try on some more stuff. All right, so I'm wearing the white shirt that I really liked and I still love it. I love that it comes down to where my hip bones are, which is perfect for me. If you can kind of see, it's not as see-through as I thought it was, but it's definitely like you can see a little bit of my bra. So I will be wearing probably a little tank top underneath of it. But it feels so good. I really like it. And I think that it looks professional, so it'll be good for the conference. And also, it's also fun. I really love the zipper detail in the back. Remember the little zipper? I think it's super cute. Okay, let's try on some more stuff. Okay, so now I've got on the kind of like maroon colored cardigan. And I like the length of it. I think that's it's super cute. I like how this kind of shawly part kind of opens up like this. It's super warm and comfortable, and I like the color. It's something a little bit different. Normally I go for super bright colors, and I like that this is more muted, definitely more fall, would be perfect for winter time. But yeah, here's the sweater. Looks pretty good. Okay, we only have one item left, and it is that blue polka dot dress. So let's see what happens. Okay, so the last item is the blue polka dot dress, and I told you it was gonna be hit or miss depending on how it fits. I think it fits awesome. So if you can kind of see, this is the dress. I'll do a little twirl. Woo. But I like how swishy it is. I think it'll be really cute for photos. It seems like it'll be perfect for walking around downtown Austin, checking out the food scene. It's stretchy, so I can eat as much food as I want, and it should conceal everything because it's got that like wrap style to it. But I really like it. Like, look how fun it is, right? And I think it'll be cute. I could wear it for conference days. I could wear this just traveling. I think this would be really cute, like with a hat and some fun jewelry. It would be perfect for traveling just about anywhere. It seems pretty versatile. And be fun, yeah, just fun, like lots of different combinations. I feel like I could do something red with this and be really retro chic. I could do just kind of anything really. So this is the dress. So I think out of all of the items, I really liked the white shirt. I really like the black pants. I like this dress, and I really did like the that maroon color sweater. I think that that's really good. So 4 out of 5 is really good. Very excited about the Stitch Fix unboxing and try on video. If you want to try Stitch Fix, use my referral code and you'll save some money on your first Stitch Fix box. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.